Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. I'm staying at Marriott Niagara Falls and just for one night, and I wanted to show you how to pack for one night. So this is winter right now and Canada is cold, so I'm just going to kind of also tell you what to pack and what not to pack if you're in a tropical country like Philippines or Thailand, but this is right now in Canada. So the first thing is start with the bag. You have to make sure that your bag or your backpack or your carry-on, it has to be a small one. This is only 19 liter, and my suggestion would be stay below 25 to 30 liter. If you go over it, you're going to pack more. But you can see that, you know, in 19 liter I fit everything, and if you need a little bit more space, go up to, like, you know, 25, maximum 30, but not more than that. So I'm just carrying I'm just wearing a polo shirt here, and I have one extra set of t-shirt here, and then I have one shorts and I have one extra pair of socks. That's all I have. And in terms of, like, you know, this bag, I have, like, you know, cable and stuff right here, and then here I have some toiletries, but these are not these are very little. I have just, like, you know, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, and small perfume. That's all. There are not many things in here. And here I have some, like, you know, video accessories, which I have an extra set of, like, you know, GoPro, battery, light, and also I'm carrying this another additional sling bag. And here mainly video accessories, like, you know, I have this, like, you know, pole and another set of camera, and then I have a power bank. And if you do not do video, then probably you can cut even more things. So that's another sling bag. Now here I have a Solis Lite portable Wi-Fi hotspot, Skyroam, and this can, like, you know, give you internet anywhere in the world you go. And I have more videos on this. So basically these all I fit in this small backpack. And the thing is, even I have a small, very light tripod inside it, and still it fits. It doesn't, like, you know, there's even enough space. And I have, I'm wearing one pair of pants, but I do have another set of extra pants, which is a drawstring pant. The benefit of this is that, let's say I spill coffee or something happened to this pant, then I can just wear this as, like, you know, in emergency. This is kind of extra set. And I was, like, you know, I could even wear it as a pajama in the hotel, but which I didn't have to. So this is even untouched. I didn't have to even wear it. But anytime you're going somewhere, I think you should always keep one pair of extra pants in case something happens to you, the pants you're wearing. And in terms of more, I have, like, you know, a small mini computer here. So this is Surface Go 2. And this is a very small and lightweight, so it doesn't like, you know, give you weight or anything. And that's I have here, and basically that's all I have here. And this is all for one day. Now I'm in a cold country, so these two pairs extra, you don't have to take these if you're in a hot country. So I have one hoodie here, which is I'm going to wear over this, and I have another jacket for winter. And the reason I have these two, because this is a cold country or cold place I'm visiting right now. But if you're visiting places like, you know, Philippines, Thailand, or in Asia, then you don't need this. This is good enough. And for these, they're not, you know, taking any space in my luggage, because I'm just wearing these as layers. So that's all I have here. And then always the packing cube, and all my clothes are going to fit in here. And like, you know, this is what I already showed you what I have here. So this is going to go inside here, and all these they're just going to sit on top of here. And after packing, it looks like, you know, very nice and neat. It doesn't even looks like, you know, thicker or big. And this is very easy to carry and very lightweight. And again, this is 19-inch, and this is all you need to pack for a one-day trip. And if you're not, like, you know, doing photo or video, you don't have to, you can actually eliminate lots of things I showed you. So most likely your package is going to be even lighter than what I showed you. So for the next travel tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.